What's up, Chemical Guys fam? Today we're answering your guys' frequently asked questions when it comes to ceramic coating, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright guys, so we often get questions about ceramic coatings here on our channel, whether it be on our social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and we also did some research of our own to see what is the most frequently asked questions when it comes to ceramic coatings, because we wanted to clarify when it came to ceramic coatings and make you guys feel confident about applying a ceramic coating, knowing what it does, how to apply it, how to maintain it, and basically all of the above. So today we're going to kick it off with question number one, which is, what is a ceramic coating? A ceramic coating can be classified as a sacrificial layer of protection that lays on top of your vehicle's clear coat. So your vehicle is composed of multiple layers. It starts off with the base layer, it has primer, it has the paint layer, it has the clear coat layer, and then finally the ceramic coating would be an additional layer that lays on top of that clear coat layer, giving you a nice durable layer of protection and intense shine. Now, the ceramic coating, as opposed to a wax and a sealant, it composes a different synthetic formula that utilizes SiO2, silica dioxide, which is going to actually harden on your vehicle's paintwork and give you an extremely hard and durable layer of protection that's going to last. The second question is ceramic coating DIY friendly? Absolutely yes. Now here at Chemical Guys, we actually manufacture different types of ceramic coatings, whether it be our easy to use HydroSlick or professional grade carbon force. Ceramic coating, despite all the stuff that you may see online about it being a little bit difficult to apply and you need to be a professional to apply it, just go ahead and erase that, because with products like HydroSlick, we make it easy for you to feel confident about ceramic coating your car and adding durable shine and protection. Now our HydroSlick, and just single this one out, is a hyper wax. So we combine all the essential and all the familiarity of applying a traditional carnauba cream wax and we mixed it with SiO2 ceramic nanotechnology, thus creating a first ever hyper wax, which is basically going to give you the familiarity of applying a carnauba wax to your vehicle with the durable shine and protection of ceramic. Next question on our list is, what can I ceramic coat? And that's a great question, because a lot of people think that ceramic coating is just for paint, but actually it can be applied on basically everything. Now here at Chemical Guys, we have our entire Hydro line. Now we have products like HydroSlick, which are going to work out great for paint. You can also use it on glass, chrome, wheels, headlights, and much more. And we also have specialized products like HydroSpin, which works on wheels, HydroView, which works on glass, HydroSpeed, which is our ceramic quick detailer. And we also have products like HydroGlide, which is a ceramic waterless wash. We have things for leather like our Hydro Leather. We have things for vinyl, rubber, and plastics like our Hydro Shield, and so much more. So yes, ceramic coating can be applied on a multitude of surfaces inside and out your vehicle. Another great question that I came across with, and I actually did a video on this maybe like a year or two ago, is what can go wrong when ceramic coating? Now, first and foremost, forgetting to remove the coating is a big one. We actually did a video here which we had a customer who had a detailer detail his vehicle. He applied the ceramic coating, he forgot to remove it, and it left a high spot. And that high spot basically can come from not applying the coating evenly. So that's one of the things that you want to make sure that you do, is that whenever you apply a ceramic coating, make sure that you're taking all the necessary steps and applying it perfectly in order to have the best shine and results possible. Another thing that can go wrong is if you don't prepare the surface properly, your ceramic coating is just going to wash right off. So if you don't wash it by using a surface cleanser like Clean Slate, wiping it down, claying it, and decontaminating it and polishing it, your ceramic coating is not going to bond very properly, and odds are that the next time that you wash your vehicle or the next time that you do anything on your vehicle, it's just going to go ahead and just fall right off, and you don't want that. You want to make sure that your coating lasts, so make sure that you prepare it properly. Another great question that I came across in research is, how much does ceramic coating cost? Great question, because ceramic coating, it can vary depending on the cost, depending on where you go or how you do it. So here at Chemical Guys, we have products like HydroSlick, which retail for about $39.99, and we also have professional grade products like Carbon Force. Now Carbon Force retails for about $129.99. I'll leave a little sticky here if I'm incorrect.
Wrong answer.
But usually retails for about that range, and this is a 5-year coating as opposed to our HydroSlick, which is a 12-month coating. And depending on where you go, if you take it to a professional detailer, they can actually charge you thousands of dollars just to ceramic coat your vehicle. When in reality, all you need is a couple $100, invest yourself in some chemicals, a polisher, everything that you need to ceramic coat your vehicle, and you can actually get it done for a couple $100. as opposed to taking it to a professional who can actually charge you thousands of dollars because you're paying for their time, their expertise, the preparation work that takes all into place. So if you guys really want to figure out how much a ceramic coating costs in your area, I would honestly recommend that you check your local listings, get a quote from a detailer and maybe a few others, and ask also what is involved with the actual service. You know, never just pay for a ceramic coating. Actually ask, do your research, actually ask the detailer what they're going to be doing, what they're going to be applying, and making sure that it lines up with what you want. The next question on our list is ceramic coating permanent? And the answer is no. Now, the reason why is because ceramic coatings are going to provide a durable layer of protection on your vehicle's paintwork. It's not to say that it's going to stay there forever. You know, it's going to get worn off by the natural elements. You may be using something on there that's going to wear it off, and you know, like I said, just in time, it's just going to wear off. So it's not going to be permanent. You can reapply it, and it does make it easy for you to reapply it if you maintain it. And we also have products to maintain your ceramic coating, like our HydroSlick ceramic car wash soap and our HydroSpeed ceramic quick detailer. The next question that we came across is, can you apply a ceramic coating on top of a wax? The answer is yes and no, more no. You can apply it just because you can. It's your life. You can do whatever you want. But in reality, you should not. And the reason for it is because the layer of wax is not going to last as durable as the ceramic coating. So by applying a more durable layer of ceramic protection on a thinner wax coat, it's just going to wash off as well as your ceramic coating. So it's not going to work out great for you. Always apply your ceramic coating first onto clean and prep paintwork before you layer any kind of glazes, sealants, and waxes on top of it. The next question that we had is, can I reuse the applicator and towels used to coat my car with the ceramic coating? The answer is no. You always want to dispose of them, because what happens with ceramic coatings is that they harden. And if it hardens on your towel or your applicator, it's going to crystallize, and the next time that you use that same towel in your vehicle, guess what? You're going to be scratching it up with all those fine ceramic crystals that are left on your applicators and towels. Now, with products like our HydroSlick, you can only if you wash them right after use. So as soon as you finish applying it and wiping it off, make sure to go ahead and throw those in the wash with some microfiber wash to ensure that those applicators and towels are clean for the next time you want to ceramic coat your vehicle. The next question that we have is, which I feel like we've already kind of covered it, which is, how do I maintain the ceramic coating on my car? Now, here at Chemical Guys, we have our Hydro line, like I said earlier, and we also have two in particular products that you can actually use to maintain your ceramic coating. The first being our HydroSlick ceramic car wash soap and our HydroSpeed ceramic quick detailer. And as you guys can imagine, both of them are infused with ceramic SiO2. Now, our HydroSlick is the perfect way and the perfect soap to wash your vehicle, to not only safely wash it and maintain your ceramic coating, but it's also going to boost the shine and to protect the properties of your ceramic coating. So all that crazy shine, all that hyperactive water beading, that durable UV protection, guess what? HydroSlick, it's just going to boost it up with that SiO2 kick. And another product that we have is our HydroSpeed ceramic quick detailer, which, like again, you can probably guess, it does contain ceramic. So this is a quick detailer. I'm not going to overcomplicate it. Spray, wipe. It's that easy to wipe away light dust, debris, bird poop, bee pollen, whatever it may be sitting on the surface of your vehicle. Go ahead and spray that sucker on there, wipe it off, and just like that, you clean your car, you shine your car, you boost your ceramic protection, and you also protect your vehicle all in one. And another thing about these products is that you actually don't even need a ceramic coating to use them. So whether you have a wax, sealant, or even a ceramic coating, you can actually use them all with no problems. Another great question that I came across with, and I'm actually very fascinated that someone asked this, is there a downside to ceramic coatings, and should I ceramic coat my car? My answer to you is I would highly recommend it. Yes. The only reason for that is because ceramic coatings, they're durable, they're intensely shiny, and they're really just going to provide you with the best unparalleled level of protection for your vehicle's paintwork, glass, chrome, wheels, headlights, taillights, and much more. And the reason why I would strongly recommend it is because, like I said, it's just very durable, and you can also layer your favorite Chemical Guys glazes, sealants, and waxes on top of it. So just kind of think of it as a secondary layer of clear coat. So for your vehicle, if it's brand new or old, doesn't matter, ceramic coatings are going to maintain it. It's going to maintain that lustrous shine, that sleek feel, and just really keep your vehicle looking in tip-top shape as possible. The next question that we have is what to avoid after ceramic coating my vehicle. Now, the things that you want to avoid are strong chemicals, degreasers, strong soaps, and specialty soaps like Clean Slate. Now, even though we recommend using this before ceramic coating your vehicle, you do not want to use this after ceramic coating your vehicle because this is a hyper-concentrated soap that is designed to break down protectants like waxes, sealants, glazes. Now, even though it may not be as powerful to remove a ceramic coating in one application, with use, if you do use it frequently, it can potentially start wearing down the ceramic coating and taking away from the overall protective properties of it. So stay away from degreasers, stay away from strong, non-pH balanced soaps, and really anything that's abrasive for your coating. So don't use anything like pads or sponges that could potentially scratch your coating, because it's very difficult to remove scratches from a ceramic coating unless it's an actual true ceramic coating, which you can. But in some cases, most ceramic coatings are nano coatings, which is very difficult to remove scratches and swirls, because odds are that if you do have one of those nano coatings on your vehicle, if you do polish it, you're just going to polish off the ceramic coating layer as well. So try to be careful in terms of what you use on there physically and chemically. I don't know if that sounds right, but it sounds right to me. And the last question that we have is how to remove ceramic coating from a car. Now, to answer this question, well, before we answer this question, I want to just kind of bring up why someone would want to remove a ceramic coating. I know a lot of you guys are probably like, why would you want to do that? Well, there's actually a couple reasons why. The first one is maybe you applied it improperly. So if you applied it and you have high spots, or you're not happy with the application or the bond that you had, you can go ahead and strip it off. Another reason is maybe you just want to start fresh. Maybe it's just that time of year that you want to just reamp your coating, and instead you just want to remove it all and reapply it. And three, maybe you want to apply something else on your vehicle. Maybe you want to try out a different wax, a sealant, or a glaze and see how it works with your paint as opposed to the ceramic coating. And lastly, what if you're applying a wrap to your vehicle? Now, if you're applying a wrap, it is best that you do that on top of the wrap as opposed to underneath it, because then odds are is that the wrap is not going to bond properly, because remember, ceramic coatings are designed to repel anything, contaminants, films, whatever it may be. It's going to help to shield it from anything that tries to stick onto it. And to remove the ceramic coating, you can actually either A, depending on the condition of the coating, if it's already basically like at the end of its life, you can use something like a clean slate wash, give it a nice deep foam bath with that. That could potentially remove it. Some cases you may have to do 2 or 3 applications, or you can just simply wash it once and then polish it out with a polisher and a compound or a polish, depending on the life of the coating. If it's been there for a very long time, you can probably just sneak away with cutting it out with a polish. If it's relatively fresh, then you would maybe have to go with a compound to kind of cut through it, and then a polish to refine it, and then from there on you can do whatever you like. All right, guys, and that's going to wrap it up for the most frequently asked questions when it comes to ceramic coatings. So if you guys knew all the answers to all the questions that we had on today's video, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. I'm very interested in hearing you guys' responses. And maybe if you guys learned something new, let us know in the comment section down below, because I'm very interested in hearing you guys' feedback. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys have any other ceramic coating questions that we did not cover in this video, leave them in the comment section down below, and we may potentially get to it in a future video. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.